Bald eagle.
Hey yo, I'm DJ Pigeon and I'd like to introduce y'all to our national bird. Makes a noise for Barry the Bald Eagle, our state-by-state chauffeur.
That's right, y'all. What up, what up? Come along with me to a place where the scenery's romantic. We're headed to New Mexico, the land of the enchantment. Let me introduce y'all to New Mexico state bird. He's a wonder. His name is Rob, and he's a Roadrunner.
What's up, Barry? I run pretty fast. Wanna see my moves? I never finish last.
You're pretty darn quick.
And New Mexico has so much beauty, you can fill your cameras with pics.
Coast to coast, state to state. Gonna tell you about a place and what makes it great. So just fly with me, fly with me, fly with me. Come on, fly with me. So what's great about this state?
Well, our capital is Santa Fe and has quite a story. It's been the seat of government since 1610 for areas and lands held by the U.S., Mexico, and the Spanish territory. Our most populous city is Albuquerque, and we're the first state to have an official state cookie.
Ooh, what kind?
It's called the Bizcochito. We also have a state question. Isn't that neato?
I like questions.
Red or green? We love chili peppers, and always ask, which color do you want in your cuisine?
Coast to coast, state to state. Gonna tell you about a place and what makes it great. So just fly with me, fly with me, fly with me. Come on, fly with me.
New Mexico has the southern portion of the Rocky Mountains. Our land was formed partially by lava, like the Capulin Volcano National Monument. Our state is bisected by the Rio Grande, and we have the largest gypsum desert in the world at White Sands.
Wow, this land sounds swell.
People that believe in aliens love to visit Roswell.
Aliens?
So they claim. Yes. Yes.